On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love said to me,
Merry Christmas, everyone.
From Quilts Plus. I'm Julie.
And I'm Kathy.
And I'm Amber.
And today is Thursday, July 15. And on the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
some really cool things from Quilts Plus. Hi, today we're going to show you another bag. This is called the Frenchy Bag. It is by Amy Butler, and it's very attractive. It has, I don't know if you can see the pleats on this, but I'm going to flip the bag over because there's a better example right here of the pleats on that. It really makes it attractive. This bag comes in two different sizes. It comes in a shoulder bag and a regular purse. Now, the one that I have priced out for today is the shoulder bag. The price on that was $40, and now it's $34 for the kit. But we're going to do something special with the pattern. We're going to give that to you at half price. It's normally $12.95, and today it's going to be $6.50. So that makes the grand total of this bag $40.50 for today and today only. Now this bag, the construction on that is pretty easy. It has uses a Pella line interfacing. It has your outer fabric, your band, and then your inner fabric. Now what I've done here is pulled out this beautiful peach and teal and pink fabric for the main body of the bag. And I want my upper band to be out of this beautiful teal color. And then I'm gonna line it with the peach. Now I would probably use this feature fabric again for the straps. Or you could bring the peach in to do that, either one. I think you'd enjoy making this bag. If you need help with it, I'm available for a one-on-one class. You just call and we'll make an appointment. Have a great day.
introduce you to our Snowy Woods panel, and it's featuring the winter scene with deer and the log cabins and the birch trees and the moose and even the campers down below. It's very indicative of Michigan and the season that we see here in the winter time. Very normal, especially if we're out in the woods. The deer are everywhere and they're just beautiful. This is a beautiful panel. This panel is normally $8.15, and we have it for $6.95 for you today. We also have the coordinates that go along with it, and if you look here, you're going to be able to see those. So you have the winter trees with the deer, and then you also have a beautiful plaid that goes right along with that. We also have some background blues as well that go with the panel that aren't shown here, but we'll have those available as well. This works beautiful with a window pane quilt. I've made one before, and it looks like you're looking out the window, and I've made it into about a throw size quilt. So it does, you can cut this apart into strips, and then you can put sashing in between, and then put an inner and an outer border with that as well. So it is a lovely option for you. You can always get more than one, which I like to do sometimes, but this would be a beautiful one that goes together quickly. You'll have it for winter time. You can have it for Christmas. You can do pretty much anything with it, especially from Michigan. So even if you have a friend that's not from Michigan and you make something for them, it's very much something would be perfect. So we have that in store for you. We have a limited number. Give us a call if you would like one as well. We are open 10 to 5, Monday through Friday, and Saturday 10 to 3. But this is for today's special. We want to get you, keep you informed and give you the perfect gift for yourself.
Okay, I'm going to show you something that we think is awfully cute. It is called a Thimble craft container. It is ceramic, so it's awfully pretty. And we have put some products in it that would be easy to put in your sewing room. So you have some extra pencils, you've got a cutter, you've got pins. We have this that also gives us, it's called a quick strip, and so you would lay that and use that as a ruler. the whole thing is just as cute as anything. It comes pre-packaged. These are $10, and let me just show you the bottom of it. It's just adorable. Inside, it's lovely. It really is lovely. Again, it is what's I gonna say? Ceramic, and it's kind of a copper color. I really like it. The shape of a thimble, of course. It normally retails for $10, and we're doing it for $8.50. So we want to make sure you get one of these. We are limited. We got some in, and somebody saw some in the back and bought them before we could get them out on the floor. So we can get more, but at this point we have a few to sell, and we just love them. So again, this is, instead of being $10, it's $8.50. Give us a call at 269-383-1790. Thanks so much.